Hello everyone. So today we will learn about how to import CSV or text file into MS SQL database. So for that we need to follow some steps. So step one is that you need to connect your MS SQL database. Once you connected, then right click on the database, then click on the task and select the import flat file. Third step, you just browse the CSV or text file that you want to import. Then you just rename the table name if you want, then select the schema name. After that, click on the next. In a fourth step, you just verify the data, that data will be corrected or not. After that, you need to click on next. In the next, you just if you want to modify the column name or a data type or any add a primary key or not all constraint, then you can modify into that. In a sixth step is the final step. You just review the database name, table name, and file path, and click on the finish button. Once you click on finish, there is uh, a result will be there that indicating your CSV file imported successfully. For the verifying that, you just click on the database. After that, click on the table, and you want to see the table will created automatically, and you just select the select query to verify the data. So that's it. Thank you.